Hi guys, I'm here, and I decided I would love to make a little video because I've been drawing some stuff on my notebook. It's not really a notebook, but it's a notebook. So I made like some comics in here, and I wanted to show them. Oh, I fell. Okay, cat's in the room, of course. So we're gonna get. Oh gosh, no. I'll feel okay. So I'm gonna pause to take it up and get ready. Beep.
My life is like a video game, trying hard to beat the stage, all while I am still collecting coins, trying hard to save the girl.
Hello, girls now, come on, join it now. Fine. Why? Okay, time to go, I guess. Sydney presents Girls Night Out. Well, Bird Girl. Nah. No, I don't want to go. Hi. Where's Emily? Driving. We're going to the mall. Do you want to go? Well, I guess you're in the car, so let's go already. You know, I've been waiting for you like for hours to pick up. Did you even hear the phone ring? I was listening to music. A few hours later. Here, I want you to try this on. I think you look nice on you, and I think it's your style more than that girly dress. Okay. Do 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 do. I love it. Looks really nice on me. Later. Right this way. I'll give you a table. Thank you. Yay! I'm hungry. And so, this is fun. I'm really happy that we could do this because I never really get to see you guys. It's because we're all doing something. And yay! I have to agree. I wasn't really wanting to go, but this was really fun. Thanks for letting me come, you guys. You're welcome. Bye. Okay guys, so this part of the story is like really weird because first of all, I forgot to really mention Bird Girl because I really didn't want to, and I just think you might get the point of the story. Anyways, so Bird Girl is something I drew in like 4th grade during the meet and stuff. And so Bird Girl is a girl that is like human in a way. So there's like bird boys as well. And so this Bird Girl is creepypasta. I made her. She's my own creation that I made. She's Bird Girl creepypasta. And so she knows the creepypastas like Jessica, I guess. Whatever, the rest of them, you know, them. Yeah. So I guess I will do a story about this because I'm to get more of them because, well, what they do. So, enjoy the rest of the story. Jeff, what are you doing here? Nothing. I'll leave. Bye. Goodbye. Rumble. It's too early. Is someone at the door? Rumble. Rattle. Might as well open it. A puppy? Aw. Thank you. Aw. The end. And might as well, if I'm from at the end, I should tell you about the puppy because that is new. And I love to draw these Bird Girls comics. They don't take a lot of time, but it's hard to draw on the left side for me because I'm right-handed. And well, I can do other things with my left hand too, but you know how it goes. So I named Star because I felt like it, and she's also creepypasta, but she is a creepypasta dog, and she can do different things. I'm not sure what yet because I didn't feel like doing that. I'm a terrible dog. And so she was a puppy from the real world until something happened in a scientist room that made her like who she is today. So and Jeff found her. Yeah, okay, I'm done. I'm not telling the story. But anyways, here's my comic, and I hope you liked it. And I have more, but I don't feel like I should show you them yet. Wait, maybe I should. Okay, I'm gonna give you one more. So bored. Bored is bored is bored is bored. Red Girl comic. Ring, 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 ring. Who's that? Ring. Oh, it's Red Boy. I guess I'll go see him. What he's doing. Sure, I'll come over. It'll be really nice to see you. I haven't seen you in like a month or whatever. Oh well, I'll come over. See you soon. Ooh, I'm not bored, 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 I'm not bored. I'm glad you could come. I really missed you, and I'm sorry I haven't been back. I was on vacation for a month. Don't even ask why. I don't know why. Okay, so that's my comic. I really hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry about my voice, and I'm sorry I don't have really a voice for characters, because I don't feel like it. I'm one person. One person. I can do whatever I want. And you know, it's Tuesday. I don't even know what I'm doing with my life. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time, because I'm an amazing person. You all guys are too. See you guys later. Bye!